So in this video I want to show you the next steps of creating drawings from the reference files like alignments and the terrain model, and then continue with the 3D model and create cross sections. So let me create a new file, so a new empty one, 2D, so that's important. So now we're going to referencing in the alignment which we have created from the 2D drawing. So let me check here. So this is the one alignment which we want to use. So just can see it in the profile drawing. Let me turn off the background, the terrain as the display. Let's switch it off. Now we go to the profile. We'll do these steps to create a profile drawing. One of the numbers, click in it, and you've got the profile view. The drawing production. So go to drawing production, name boundary. We want to create a profile, so let's take the profile option, the third option, and we can either select A1 plan and profile, but let's take this example, A1 profile drawing. Let me check what is the, okay, let's make it 1:1000 for this example. And I think it looks all fine. So we're going to say create a drawing. That's important. We want to create a drawing. I don't see the terrain actually. Let me check here. I thought that I did make it active, but perhaps I didn't make it active. Ah, it's active. The terrain is... Okay, let me turn off the triangles and make the... Okay, so where's our... Okay, here's our alignment. Go here, go to profile model. Go to name boundary. Make it 1:1000. Create a drawing, accept. And then make sure the annotation is also set to 1:1000, so change it here and use the annotation group which you prefer. So let me take the default one, French profile, and then press OK. So what it's going to do now, it's going to create a new sheet for you and do the annotation. So this comes directly from the reference file, which is great. So yeah. So that's the step. Now we want to create a corridor, so go back to the plan, choose a corridor, right click, accept, and go into the templates first, the template which you prefer. So let's say I'll have a 2-lane road, depending on which part, I will take the 2-lane left. So when you don't have this library, go to the corridors template library, open your ITL file and open one which you prefer, and then go back to create a corridor. So start, end, accept, 5-meter interval is all good. So now we create this this model. So we've got this part. When you change the wireframe from the attributes, so you've got a better understanding what it is. Increase the lighting here. So now you've got the this part, which looks pretty good. So let's say this is the for now the model. We want to create some sections. So the sections, the section drawings, important is that we're going to create a or open a new view with a 3D model attached. So go to one of the views, selecting the view setup a 3D model. So make sure you've got the 3D model there and the 2D plan here. Now we go back to name boundary. We're going to civil cross section. Select one of the drawing sheets. So let's pick the frame annotation. Select the reference like the center line. So one more time. I want not to start at the end, so I want like 2500, 200 perhaps. Okay, it's all good. So you can select the range which you want, accept, and then in the create drawing option, select the right cross-section annotation. So I will pick the ordinary one, the one which X-frame and grid. Accept, and it's going to generating the sheets for you. Okay, so it has created the sheet, so it's opening the last sheet. So here you've got like the different kind of sheets, just road pavements, the pavement markings, annotations, so these can all customized, proposed elevation, existing elevation. Yeah, looks all good.